Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Liz from Home Decorating with Liz. Welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I have been asked to participate in a challenge collab video called the Floral DIY Challenge. And this is hosted by Heidi Sonboul. Hi Heidi, thank you so much for inviting me to participate. So I'm so excited. What she wanted us to do is to do a spring DIY using flowers. Create something nice that represents spring, and that's what I'll be doing for you guys. I'm going to share what I have for you because spring is in the air and it's soon approaching us quick. So I'm ready and I'm going to get started. So I would like you guys to just sit back and relax. And I hope that I inspire you to make something of your own for spring. And I thank you all for watching. Thank you for participating. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you would like to become a member, I would appreciate you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And to everyone else, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Stay tuned for the DIY. Alrighty, here we go. The first thing I'm going to be using for this DIY is some diamond wrap. I'm going to be using my glue sticks and, of course, my glue gun over there. And I've got a pack of these foam eggs. And I have a pack of window decorations, which I'm not going to be placing them in the window. I will be decorating them with my little box that I have, my basket. Of course, a pair of scissors. I have 2 white foam boards, which I will probably use 1 1/2 or 1 and a piece of the other. Then I've got my cute little pink floral basket that I'll be using, and it has a handle. And some flowers. I have 2 bunches of yellow flowers and 1 pink. Alrighty, and I am ready, so let's get started. Alrighty, the first thing I'm going to do is place my basket right in front of me. I'm going to take off, I've got to take off the paper wrapper of the flowers. I could have cut those off earlier, but I didn't. Okay, that's 1. Two. Sometimes they get a little stubborn and they don't want to come off. So you just have to just keep working with it. Oh, that's okay. We won't worry about that one. And if your rose pops off like mine just did, just stick it right back on. Who knows, or maybe I won't use it after all. And then I'm going to push up the stems up against the roses. Like this. This one has this paper stuck on it, so let's see if I can get that up. Got it. Just Had to do a little bit of surgery to get it off. Okay, now that we've got all of the rose stems pushed up, now I'm going to take the paper off the foam. And then I'm going to open up my foam eggs just so I will have everything already open and prepared. And now I'm going to open up my pack of my stickers right here. There's only one, just one little sheet here with all these little cute, adorable little springy things. You've got the blue flower, pink flower. You've got the rose, pink rose here. You've got the little cute Tweety birds. You've got the eggs, little butterfly here. And this looks like, right here looks like an Easter basket with an egg and a little Tweety bird in there. Really cute. Alright, now the first thing I'm going to do is take one of the foams and I'm going to place it in my basket. Now I'm going to try to measure out a little bit here so that I can cover this area and hopefully a little bit of this area. Actually, I should have gotten a knife, but I'm going to use my scissors to just cut, slice. Now this feels like I'm doing surgery on this foam because they're very tough. There we go. Got that in half like that. And let's see if it fits perfectly. Not too bad. And let's see if I can, you know what, I might not even need another piece on the side. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that. If I need more, I will go ahead and cut. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little eggies and I'm going to take them and just place them down on the sides here. Like such. Place some down here. I don't want to stick them all the way down, I want them to kind of stick up. These are so cute, aren't they, you guys? These are so adorable. They almost look edible. All right, that's how it looks. Now, if I need to use more, I will. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is, I don't have any wire cutters. That's one thing that I forgot to get. So I'm going to do the best that I can, and I'm going to cut these flowers. I'm going to cut the stems off on all of them. So I will do that, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, now I've got all of my roses inside of the basket, looking pretty. And I've got my eggs inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't want you to see too many of them anyway, but this is the look that I want, because you have the stems. I don't know if you guys can see the stems. The stems are up here, you see a little bit, and then you see the little eggs down in the middle. So what I'm going to do next is remove the handle from the basket. Probably can't see it. The handle here, I don't want that. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the diamond wrap to the basket, as well as my lovely stickers. And I'll be right back with you guys. All right, everyone, I have completed my floral DIY challenge. I hope that you like what you see. I've got my pink roses in the center. I've got one of those cute little picks. I've got yellow flowers on the outer part. And my bucket, which is my basket, is glammed out. I've got bling wrap all the way around each corner. And I have my eggs right in the center there, if you can see that. And then I have my little stickers all around each side. Isn't this cute? I think this turned out really cute. Super cute. I really like it. At first I wasn't for sure if I was going to like it, but I have to say I like it. Turned out really good. I hope that you guys like it as well. And this completes my DIY. I thank Heidi so much for the invitation. Thank you so much, Heidi. I had a lot of fun. And thank you all for watching the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to the channel, and I will talk to everyone else later in another video. Have a great day. Bye.